naming compounds that are covalent in character is quite straightforward, but there are some rules, and it is possible to misname things. In this problem, we have 3 examples of compounds like this that are misnamed, and we need to identify what's wrong and correct it. If we look at number 1 here, we have the formula S2Cl2. Now, S2Cl2 obviously has 2 sulfurs and 2 chlorines, and so the name that we would expect for this is disulfur dichloride. Disulfur dichloride. Now, as an aside, we always name the element first with a smaller group number. Sulfur is group 6 element, chlorine's group 7, so instead of dichloro disulfur, it's disulfur dichloride. Now, if we compare this with what's written here, you can see it says disulfurous dichloride, and the OUS is incorrect. The correct name is disulfur dichloride. Now here, in example B, the name is nitrogen monoxide. And of course that would suggest 1 nitrogen and 1 oxygen. If there's no prefix, we assume that it means 1. Now nitrogen monoxide then ought to have a formula of NO, 1 nitrogen, 1 oxygen. And of course what's wrong here is that there is a subscript 2 saying N2O. That is not nitrogen monoxide, that is dinitrogen monoxide. NO is the correct formula for nitrogen monoxide. If we look at example 3, BrCl3 is trichlorine bromide. Well, there is a mistake there, because if the 2 elements come from the same group in the periodic table, we name the one with larger period number. First. Okay. So chlorine is above bromine, and so bromine's period number is larger. So we would name BrCl3 starting with bromine. This would be bromine trichloride. The name of the second atom is changed, the ending is changed to IDE from INE for bromine, or for chlorine, for the same reason that it's done in ionic compounds, to specify which element comes second here. So BrCl3 would be bromine trichloride, not trichlorine bromide.